I am currently preparing the garage for a IKEA Pax wardrobe install. I am going to use the Pax wardrobe partly as a linen closet because my linen closet in this house is not very big. And I've had to get extra linen because my cat's been putting kitty litter in the bed. So to save on washing, I bought some extra linen when it was on sale. And I bought some boxes to keep it in so it doesn't get fur or anything on it. And I've just got enough money now to get 2 wardrobes. So I'm using one for my linen and storage, and I'll probably use the other one to store my long dresses because she's been getting into my main wardrobe, which isn't very big anyway. And I have some long maxi dresses in there that I like to wear, and because she's been going in there to lay on the box, she's getting her fur over the bottom of the dresses. So I'm going to wash those and move those into the Pax wardrobe. But as you can see, I need to clean the garage and I need to prepare it for the installer to come on Saturday so they can build it for me. I would usually get someone else to build it, but it was just more convenient just to book in IKEA. Last time I had my Pax wardrobe built into my son's room, the booking time was too long. It was like 1 or 2 weeks. But this time we only had to wait a couple of days, so I booked it to IKEA instead. Hi and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Mama Hannah. I'm a single mum. My son has low functioning non-verbal autism level 3 and I homeschool. I have 2 dogs and a cat, and I'm just trying to make things work on my own. I do motivational videos, clean videos, vlogs, video diaries, and if that is something you enjoy, please hit the subscribe button. All my videos are my original content and the AI is used in any of my videos. This is what the room currently looks like. So here we got the Pax wardrobe. I'm gonna sort this out. But here is the Pax wardrobe. Christmas decoration. I got these handles from Bunnings. So this one has all shelving and a drawer. And this one has rails. I want to put my long dresses in here. I might remove this one though, because it might be in the way. And I might put a drawer or a shelf on the bottom. I still have to sort out the bed, but I'll do that another day. And I have to sort out these. And we're not going to talk about this because this is leftovers from the garage, so I have to sort out. In today's video, I am going to be doing a big cleanup, mainly in the bathroom. And I'm going to start off with the shower head. It's had a little build up from not being cleaned because I haven't had time to clean it. I am just cleaning the shower head with straight vinegar, and I'm using this cleaning toothbrush that I got from Amazon. I literally just dipping the toothbrush into the cup that has some vinegar poured into it. I've tried the paper bag method, but because the shower head's so big, I couldn't really find one to fit. And I don't really want to take it off because I'm here on my own, so I don't really have anyone to help me put it back on. And because I have vision issues, I was worried about not getting the shower head back on. So I'm just going to scrub off as much as I can. But the toothbrush seems to work pretty well, so I'll probably just keep doing this. And so that I'll do it a little bit so that it doesn't build up again. But yeah, we'll clean it and we'll see how it goes. I'm just using powder clean to clean the bottom of the shower. I usually just pour it over and then I'll rinse it off with the water.